Hello, I'm Elijah. It may have come to your attention that I've missed something like the past 4 of my vlogs. Now, I have a good explanation for each one of these vlogs, individually and consecutively. Now, the first vlog that Idzy was kind enough to fill in for me on, I was kidnapped by ninjas, American ninjas. Now, that'll be relevant later. Okay, now, after being kidnapped by ninjas, I managed to escape just long enough to call Signe and ask her to ask Idzy to fill in for me. Now, just after that, I was kidnapped by a rival group of Swedish ninjas and smuggled to Sweden, where the Swedish ninjas trapped me in a parallel dimension called Ängsvaka Festivalen, also known as the No Mind Festival, which takes place in Malcolm, Sweden, in a parallel dimension. My father just happened to be teaching a seminar there, so I was able to leave with him. His seminar was taught on radical honesty, which is his philosophy thing. Let's see, I think I have a copy of the book in my room. I'll go grab that. Okay, here it is, Radical Honesty. How to Transform Your Life by Telling the Truth. Written by Dr. Brad Bland, PhD. Okay, Dr. Brad Bland, PhD. That's redundant, but anyway. Anyway, he did a seminar on this. It's really cool. I recommend you go to the website. So I went to that. That was fun. Then I was able to leave, go back, see my stepmother and my little brother in Sweden. Who, by the way, my stepmother is Swedish, and my younger half-brother Jack lives there with her. That's him. Isn't he cute? So I got to see them, hung out with them. Then I came home. Then I was kidnapped by more ninjas. I really don't know what's going on. It could just be a coincidence. I'm not one to say. Which brings me to questions, because one of them is about camp, so, which is coming up in a month. Ah! I know, it's really great. Oh yeah, I don't have anyone vlogging with me, besides my good friend Dostoevsky. I have vlogging with me today this vintage Star Wars action figure with head moving action. On to questions. Okay, there's a crap ton of them, so I'm going to do them really fast. Do you like, listen to, or write political and or controversial music? I did do sort of I did an Obama campaign volunteer song. Post that in the sidebar, which is over there or over there. You'll find it. What workshops are you planning on teaching at camp this year? Or what is your favorite workshop-related experience at camp? I don't know if I'm going to teach any workshops. I guess I should probably get my ass in gear on that matter because camp is in a month. Favorite workshop-related experience. What was a workshop that I really liked? Oh, I did a workshop on Pimp Your Bride one time where we would get a mattress and just put a person up on it and then throw the person up in the air really high using the mattress. And it was really fun. I enjoyed doing that. I enjoyed flying and I enjoyed flinging other people too. So, or being flung myself. So, Mac or PC? Mac! Do you like rolling coins or using Cornstar machines? Boom. Change jar. Okay. Now, why the change jar is superior? Okay, you can't fit Legos, or old keys, or movie tickets, or even more Legos in just a roll of coins, can you? No. You have to have a change jar. There's got to be at least $1 billion trillion worth of change in here. Have you seen Half-Blood Prince? If so, what did you think of it? If not, go see it. Okay. I thought it was good by movie standards. It was a large improvement from Harry Potter and the Order of the Phoenix. I haven't read The Half-Blood Prince in over a year, so I can't really compare it to the book very well, except I remember that the burrow didn't burn down in the book, even though I thought that it did a good job of establishing the relationship between Ginny and Harry, a relationship previously neglected in the movies. So, I guess, yeah, I'd give it maybe a 4.5 stars out of 5. It was really good by movie standards, even if it wasn't that true to the book. And the ending was a little anticlimactic. That's what takes away the half star. Anyway, on to the next question. What is your favorite item of clothing? It has a picture of a chimp in a Castro hat, and it says, Viva la Evolution. Okay? I just think that's great. Have you read any good books lately? What are they? 1 second. I'm reading Why They Kill by Richard Rhodes. I recommended this book to Chloe a little while ago when I just started reading it because I thought it was good. Then I stopped reading it for a little while, now I'm reading it again. I'm glad she started reading it though. Kudos to you, Dos. However, it has a lot of scenes where, like, there's just really horrific killings and stuff described in detail and from the point of view of the killer themselves, which is really disturbing. So I can't read it before bed. So instead, I read Calvin and Hobbes, the 10th anniversary edition, because it's awesome. And Bill Watterson is my hero. Let's see, I'm so running out of time here. What do you think of the trailer for Where the Wild Things Are? It looks awesome, I'm gonna see it. What have you done recently that was for the lulz? I jumped off of a bridge into a creek. It was like 15 feet up, the water was 10 feet deep, and I didn't die. So, I'm glad. Play the soundtrack to your life. I'll put a link or something. What are you looking forward to most at camp this year? I'm looking forward to going to camp for not 1, but 2 weeks. Yes, 2 weeks of camp. Okay. Shit, I lost it. What is your favorite flavor of ice cream? Either mocha chip or cinnamon. What is your favorite animal? Can you make the sound? It is a Siberian snow monkey because all winter they hang out in hot springs, which I think would be a great existence. Something like that. Okay, I ran out of tape, but I rewinded it some. So, rewinded it some. I believe I was on Tell Us About a Weird Dream You've Had Recently. When I was in Woodstock, I had a flying dream where I was Neo, because we watched the second Matrix. And that was really cool. What are your plans for college, lack thereof? I'm gonna go to, hopefully, like a little liberal arts college or something and become a liberal artist. Yeah, or I'll go into mechanical engineering or anthropology. Those are my plans. When was the last time you were insulted? Sub-question, should Signe dye her hair pink again? Last time I was insulted, I was playing Xbox Live like a week ago, which I don't do all the time, just want you guys to know I'm not that giant of a geek, and some guy was like, "You were pwned," which brings me to my favorite meme, pwned! I just think it's funny, and I've like seen it evolve over the years in pop culture, so I feel attached to the meme, pwned. So, I was pwned, and it was accurate to say that. Let's see, and next question. Oh, yeah. Signe, you should dye your hair pink, because I can't imagine you without pink hair, because I've only ever seen you with pink hair, and if it wasn't pink, I don't think I would know you anymore. That's all. How do you, or would you, remove cat hair from a shirt, short of running it through the wash? Will. Get one of those lint removers, and if you don't have one of those, use either packing tape or duct tape, because the white tape stuff doesn't work. Scotch tape doesn't work either. But duct tape, packing tape, lint remover. Those are the best options I can give you. I think that will be it for this vlog, this installment of my vlog. I'd like to give a shout out to Molly for watching Battlestar Galactica, because that makes her like 68% more awesome than she used to be before she watched that, even though she was already really awesome for watching Weeds and listening to Patty Griffin. I'd also like to give a shout out to Zephyr, because his cat lost a leg and that's really sad, so why am I smiling? I've got to work on that. Yeah, give his cat and his cat's leg my condolences. I hope they're reunited in cat heaven. So, peace out. Okay, question. Tell a joke on your vlog. Just any, like, joke out of a joke book, or a joke that you know that your uncle told you, or any kind of joke. That's all. Yeah, I'll tell my next week when I can decide what it is. Bye.